Hello my dear childrens, welcome to the channel of Kanishka Tutorials. Hope all of you are safe at home and boosting your knowledge by learning from home through our Kanishka Tutorial channel. On students' demand, today we have brought to you another video of English Bal Bharati for Standard 4, Unit 1, second poem, that is Races. First, I will read the poem for you and then I will explain you the poem. So students, the poem name is Recess. Now students, any of you know what is meant by recess? Yes, you are right. The recess mean the break between school classes. स्कूल में जो नाश्ता और खाने के लिए जो समय मिलता है उसे इंग्लिश में रिसेस कहते हैं और इसी रिसेस को हिंदी में अवकाश कहते हैं. So students, now let's start with the poem. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins. Although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Okay students, now I will explain you the poem. Girls and boys make lots of noise. मतलब जब रिसेस होती है तभी लड़कियां और लड़के बहुत शोर करते हैं. एंड रन एंड जंप एंड लाफ एंड शाउट मतलब वो दौड़ते हैं, कूदते हैं और हंसते हैं और चिल्लाते हैं. While here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. मतलब here difficult words are with quiet air means looking quiet. शांत दिखना. इस लाइन का यह मतलब है कि कुछ बच्चे आपको रिसेस में शांतिपूर्वक समूह बना के इधर उधर घूमते हुए नजर आते हैं. A game begins but no one wins. मतलब खेल शुरू होता है लेकिन जीतता कोई भी नहीं. Although they play with might and main. Here difficult words are might and main means with all their strength. मतलब सारी ताकत के साथ. इस लाइन का यह मतलब है कि रिसेस में हालांकि वो बच्चे अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ खेलते हैं. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. यहाँ over का silent V कहा गया है, इसके लिए इसको हम over कहेंगे. Over means खत्म. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. मतलब कोई जीते उससे पहले ही खेल समाप्त हो जाता है. स्कूल के लिए फिर से घंटी बजती है. Okay students, now move with the question and answer. First question is, during the recess, what do the children in this poem do? मतलब ऊपर दी गई रिसेस पोएम में रिसेस होते ही बच्चे क्या करते हैं? And the answer is, during recess, the children run and jump and laugh and shout. Some children form groups and walk about. Second question is, why does no one wins? मतलब कोई खेल क्यों नहीं जीत पाता है? And the answer is, because the bell rings for the children to return to their classroom and so they cannot finish their game and therefore no one wins. Okay students, now move with the third question. What name or names are used for recess in your school? मतलब आपके स्कूल में रिसेस को क्या कहा जाता है? And the answer is tiffin time, break. Okay students, now move with the fourth and last question. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 to 3 lines. मतलब आप अपनी रिसेस कैसे स्पेंड करते हैं उसे आप 2 या 3 लाइन में डिस्क्राइब कीजिए. Here students can write their own answers too. Now here I am giving you the example. First point is, we eat our tiffin with our friends. Second point, we share our tiffin with our friends. Third point, we play the games with our friends. And fourth point, we go to meet our friends in another classroom. And this marks ends of today's lecture. Thank you for attending. If you like our educational video, then like it, share to your friends and subscribe it. Thank you once again.